Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As the video suggests, this is my unboxing video for Visible Image. I'm super thrilled to show you all the stamps and stencils they have sent me, and I am so thankful to Mark and Alan Alexander. They are the sweetest of all, and I'm super happy to work with the design team. They all are super sweet and so talented. And let's get started. You surely might know about Visible Image, but I want to specifically tell you these are the best stamps and stencils I have ever worked with. They are absolutely best quality stamps and beautiful design, quirky designs. You don't see these designs always. So just go through this video and you will know what I'm talking about. Let's take out all the things first. So these are divided into background stamps, sentiments, and stamp sets. So let's start with stamp set first. So this is the beautiful big stamp. It's called Revolution. Do subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to press that bell icon. Then this one is super pretty. I just love the design over here. Total chaos. (2020) vision. Mindful moments. Soothing. Wings of change. Born to perform. And this one is new too. Nothing to wear. Then comes sentiments. This one is Believe in Me. Young mind, wild heart, and free soul. Her spirit was strong, her dreams were big, and her passion was unrevealed. I believe in me. Look forward with hope. Beautiful sentiments. Just be happy. Now these are background stamps. This one is Shape It Up. De-stressed. Grunge tones. I believe this one is from the new stamps released this year. Now they've sent me beautiful stencils too. This one is Square Root. Mash it up. beautiful details. Atomic flower. Collusion. Strobes. Ripples. These super detailed stencil, and it's very nice and thick material. Count me in. I love number stencils. And the last one is two-tone squares and circles. So absolutely gorgeous stencils. Beautiful stamps. Here it is. Absolutely gorgeous, beautiful stems and stencils, and I am ready to play with them. So just keep an eye over my YouTube, Instagram. I will be using all of this in my journals, cards, mixed media projects. I am just very curious to use them. These are absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.